Today in my video I will discuss about questionnaire versus schedule. In a previous segment of my video I have already mentioned about the questionnaire. What are the types of questionnaire, how to conduct the questionnaire, what are the advantages and disadvantages of questionnaire. Today we will know about the difference between questionnaire versus schedule. Generally, when we conduct a research, we have to select certain type of tools and techniques to use in our research methods to collect the data. Questionnaire is one of the most important procedure or most important tool for data collection. Like that, we use schedule in the form of it may be interview schedule we use to collect the data. So generally questionnaire or schedule are used in the same meaning, but there are very tiny differences between these two things. Today we will know about the difference between questionnaire and schedule. What is questionnaire? We already know about that, and today we will differentiate the questionnaire and schedule. When we use these things, and what are the usability of these two type of tools in research methodology. So, questionnaire refers to a technique of data collection which consists of a series of written questions along with alternative answers. In this questionnaire technique, we use a series of questions we have written in the pen and paper, and in a form it is written, and alternatively the questions are asked to the respondent for seeking the information. So it is a data collection process, and it is consist of series of written questions along with alternative answers. One by one the respondent will give the answer. In schedule we can see that the schedule is a formalized set of questions, statements and spaces for answers provided to the enumerators who ask questions to the respondents and note down the answers. There is a little difference we can see here. The schedule is a formalized set of questions. There are several type of formalities we have to maintain in schedule, and any type of it may be interview schedule or any type of schedule we conducting. So here we can see that formalized set of questions are framed here. It is a formal process, and statements and spaces for answers are given here, and here we can see that the enumerator means the person who is collecting the data ask questions to the respondents and note down the answers. As per their answer, the researcher or the surveyor writing the responses on the copy or on the given series. Then questionnaire are delivered to the information by post or mail and answered as specified in the cover letter. We can see that questionnaire is delivered through email, through postal, and it is a specified paper, and it is covered with the letter. It is the very old technique we are using also nowadays, but the recent techniques of questionnaire we are also using. So in schedule we can see that schedules are filled by the research workers who interpret the questions to the respondents if necessary. So the schedules are filled by the research worker who is conducting the research and who interpret the questions to the respondent if necessary. If it sometimes if the question is not clearly understood by the respondent, it is clearly interpreted by the research worker. Here we can see that in questionnaire the responses rate is low in case of questionnaires, as many people do not respond and often they left the questions without answering. um, here we are not interacting with face to face mode. That's why sometimes the questionnaire is not easily understood by the respondent. That's why they not answer the questions, and maybe they are not interested to give that type of information in that questionnaire. So we can see that as per their available data, or as per their interest, they give the answer, and sometimes the questionnaire is half filled by the respondent, and it makes a problematic situation to our research work. But in schedule we can see that the response rate is high because we are interacting with the person or with the respondent in face-to-face mode, and we are writing the answers which was given by the respondent. So there is a high rate of response in this schedule. The other differences, we can see that the questionnaires can be distributed a large number of people at the same time, and even the respondents who are not approachable can also be reached easily. Yes, it is distributed at the large number of population or sample, and it is approachable to every person which is within our sample. We can reach easily to the respondent. Then in schedule method, the area is relatively small, as the enumerators cannot be sent in large area. The area is very small here, and we can collect the information from the respondent in a particular time or with a formal way. That's why its area is very small. Then in questionnaire, we can see that data collection by questionnaire method is comparatively cheaper and economical, as the money is invested only the preparation and posting of the questionnaire. In questionnaire method, it is cheaper and economical in the sense of it is less expensive. That's why it is economical, and the money invested only for the preparation of the questionnaire and the posting of the questionnaire. But here in schedule, we can say that a large amount is spent on the appointment and training of the enumerators, and also on the preparation of schedules. Here the enumerator means the research worker have to be prepare himself or herself to collect the information from the respondent in a systematic manner. That's why certain type of training is required, certain type of preparation is prepared, and large amount of money is also required here. The appointment in the appointment process of the respondent, who is the person who is responding, if there are so many persons who are very important, and we are not reachable to them, then it will be a problematic, or it is a formal way. That's why the process takes a large amount to spend, and it is a properly formal way, and the enumerator have to make so many effort to conduct a schedule. Then in questionnaire method, it is not known that who answered the questions first. Here we don't know about that who is answering our questions. We can see nowadays that in Google form we are sending the questions in a group, and in that group how many members are on, how many members are there, and who are answering to my questionnaire, it is not known to me. So questionnaire method, it is well said that it is not known that who is answering the questions and where is. But in schedule, we can say that the respondent identity is well known to the person who is conducting the survey, or who is conducting the interview, or the data collection. Then the success of questionnaire depends on the quality of the question. So we know that if we prepare the appropriate questions or the qualitative questions, then we can get the sufficient information from the respondent. So if we prepare the questionnaire in a systematic manner, or it will be qualitative, then we can get the appropriate information. But here we can see that in schedule, the honesty of the enumerator or the presentation of the enumerator is very important, because sometimes there are certain type of questions which is not in the schedule. They have to be interact, so that honesty and the presentable manner of the research worker is very necessary in schedule. There are some other differences. We can say that the method is useful when the respondents are literate and cooperative also. In questionnaire, we are sending the questions. If the person is not literate, then there is no usefulness of the questionnaire. That's why here we can say that the method is useful when the respondents are literate and cooperative. If the person is not cooperative, then we cannot able to get appropriate information also. Sometimes in survey methods, we can say that so many students of our department, they are going to collect the information, but the cooperative attitude of the persons from whom they are collecting the data is the important requirement of the survey. So cooperative attitude of the respondent is very necessary here to get accurate or appropriate information. And then in schedule, we can say that this method is useful for the illiterate also, because the respondent and the research worker both are facing to each other and interacting in a systematic manner. That's why an illiterate person can also give the answers, and the respondent answer is written by the research worker in the schedule. Then the physical appearance of questionnaire must be quite attractive. In questionnaire, we can say that the physical appearance of questionnaire must be quite attractive. If it will be attractive, then the respondent will give the answer very happily. We know that to make anything interactive, we have to use the colorful way. That's why the questionnaire must be quite attractive. And in schedule, we can say that it may not be in the schedule. This thing is not useful for the schedule, because the schedule is in the hand of the research worker. So these are the basic difference between the questionnaire and schedule. When we are going to conduct a research, or when we are going to survey any problem, then we have to prepare different type of questions. So we have to know about the questionnaire method, and we have to know the schedule process. So there are very small differences in these two method of data collection, and we have to be cautious during the collection of data. And now I think that the student are able to differentiate questionnaire and schedule, and they will be appropriately conduct the interview schedule or any type of schedule and the questionnaires for their research work or any type of survey work. Thank you.